file charges. If they did, there would be a hearing. Because Timmy is a juvenile, the process works differently, she explained. The focus is more on rehabilitation than punishment. Isabella's father, Mr. Perez, leaned forward, his jaw tight. So he just gets a slap on the wrist after what he did to my daughter? Not necessarily, Detective Moreau said. The judge will consider the severity of the offense, any prior history, and recommendations from mental health professionals. In cases like this, there could be mandatory counseling, probation, community service, or even placement in a juvenile facility. I felt a strange mix of relief and dread. Timmy needed help, real help, not the kind he could manipulate his way through. But I also knew this would tear our family apart. There's something else you should know, I said, pulling out my phone. I found these notes on Timmy's phone. He's been keeping track of how to manipulate different people, classmates, teachers, even me and our mom. Detective Moreau reviewed the screenshots, her expression grave. This